In this video, I will show you how to create an EA account and get your EA ID. Open your web browser and go to ea.com. Click the profile icon in the top right. Select Create Account. Choose your country or region, enter your date of birth, then click Next. Type your email address, create your EA ID. This will be your unique username. Set a password that meets the rules. 8+ characters, includes an uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, and a number. Then click Next. Check I have read and accept the conditions, then click Create Account. Open your email, copy the verification code, paste it into EA, and click Submit. Review your EA ID and email, then click Finish. Remember, this is your EA ID. You're done. Click the profile icon to view your new EA account. And that's how you can create an EA account and get your EA ID.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.